Welcome to Mercedes-Benz Edmonton West. This is Ben Saleh, one of the sales and leasing consultant here. I just wanted to take a couple of minutes and answer some of the questions that some of our clients were asking. Basically, I just wanted to point out about the cost of ownership of having a Mercedes-Benz. I just want to answer a couple of questions that you guys ask about the cost of ownership of a Mercedes-Benz. It's one of those things that I just want to let you know that Mercedes not only is going to save you time, but also is going to save you money, because we have something called a prepaid maintenance that we can offer you at the time you're making a purchase or after you made your purchase. So most of our cars will have 20,000 kilometers of oil change or service intervals, which is going to save you time compared to any other make and models. Some of the models you have to go 3 to 4 times a year for maintenance and oil change. Mercedes is only about once a year. So just to have the misconception about the high cost of ownership, I just want to let everybody know that you're here for a treat. Not only we're going to save you money, but also we're going to save you time. Come and see us. We have a great selection. Don't forget, Mercedes offers remote car starter now on most of our models. We have lots of things for you to explore and see. The financing and leasing and ownership as a whole is a great opportunity to have a Mercedes-Benz. Thanks again. This is Ben Saleh, and thanks for watching.